Bed, how I pillow and cry from this stupid gag, and my eyes are like windshields on a rainy day, almost rubbed down, swelling as I keep on digging my face in this cold hands of mine. Heaven knows how bitter I am, 'cause this angel has flown away from me, leaving me in drunken misery. I should have clipped her wings and made her mine for all eternity. Now this angel has flown away from me. Thought I had the strength to set her free. Did what I did because I love her so. Will she ever find her way back home to me?
Tomorrow morning, if you wake up and the sun does not appear, I will be here. If in the dark we lose sight of love, hold my hand and have no fear, 'cause I will be here. I will.
Dakilang ina, sa bawat umagang puno ng liwanag, ikaw inay ang aking gabay at lakas. Sa iyong mga bisig, ako'y ligtas. Pagmamahal mo'y walang kapantay at wagas. Sa hirap at ginhawa'y laging nariyan, handang mag-alay ng puso at damay. Mga pangarap mo'y aking tinatahak. Dahil sa'yo, buhay ko'y may saysay at galang. Salamat sa iyong sakripisyo at tiyaga. Sa mga buwing walang tulog at pahinga, ikaw ang ilaw sa aming tahanan. Sa'yo, nanay, ang aking walang hanggan. Kaya't sa bawat araw, ako'y nagpapasalamat. Dahil sa'yo, ako'y naging matapang at malakas. Sa puso't isip, ika'y laging kasama. Mahal kita, nanay, higit pa sa salita.
Tomorrow morning, if you wake up and the future is unclear, I'll be here. Just as sure as seasons are made for change, our lifetimes are made for years. And I will be here. I will be here. You can cry on my shoulder when the mirror tells us we're older. I will hold you. I will be here.
sa'yo. Isang araw, hindi mo na maririnig yung pangungulit sa'yo. Kaya nga napakapalad ng mga anak na ngayon, may mga nanay pa nakasama. May mga nanay pa na bagamat hindi nila maintindihan, pero alam nila nandoon para sa kanila.
I will be here.
Sa buhay kong ito, tanging pangarap lang ang iyong pagmamahal ay makamdam. Kahit na sandali kita'y mamasdan, ligay ay tila bang